Yo guys, what's going on? It's Caden, and today we are back with another video, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I recreated this viral car effect using AI. Okay guys, so what you want to start off by doing is hopping into your editing software and getting the clip that you actually want to use. I have this clip of this S14 Sylvia because I think it's really cool. I stabilized it already, I color graded it already, so it's just ready to rock and roll. So once you do that, you want to export it. I'm going to export mine in 1920 by 1080 because I did run into a problem of it not accepting it in higgsfield AI, like the diameter. The dimensions were too big. It restricted the amount of dimensions. So I just do HD for this, and we can sharpen it later with Topaz AI, which will be a different video, but that's how you can get the sharpness back. So once you're done that, you want to head over to higgsfield AI and go into image and create image. So here, as you can tell, I've already done this, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and the prompt that we use to get the result that we want. So you can upload up to 14 multiple images, and what you want to do is I'm going to grab a screenshot of the video that I have. Once we do that, we can take the screenshot and drop it right into higgsfield AI. There's now our image that we have. Then we want to get some reference photos for the actual car itself and the engine. So we want to tell the AI what is it we want to see underneath the hood of the car, right? So we'll go over, I searched in S14 build SR20 because that's what was underneath the hood of this engine. So what I did is I just found some ones that I like. I really like this photo. So we're again, just gonna screenshot these. We're gonna screenshot a couple because we wanna give it at least a few options to go off of. Once we have those screenshotted, we're gonna go back and we're gonna drag and drop all of our screenshots into higgsfield again. And I use this prompt right here. So create me an image of this Nissan S14 and make the body of the car fully transparent glass so you can see what is under the bodywork of the car. Make it ultra realistic and high detailed. Don't change the background and don't change the composition. I want to keep the exact position of the car, and I've added some pictures of the engine bay so you know which parts go where, for example, the turbo. Now that I've given it all this information, I'm using Nano Pro. I made sure that I click 16:9, but you can utilize it however you want, 9:16. Yeah, there's a bunch of different aspect ratios. For this one, I'm going to click 1K. We're also going to do a batch size of 4, and we're going to keep everything else the same. So here, I'm going to click generate. So now we have a few options here to choose from. This one looks pretty good. This one looks, I would say, better. This one looks pretty good. And that one looks, well, that one actually changed the whole composition of the car. So it didn't actually follow the plan directly, but that's okay. Personally, this one, he got rid of the flawed, which is a problem. I would say this one is the best one for here. We are then going to click edit. I'm going to say, I like this one a lot. Please make it hyper sharp with 8K resolution. And I just say that just to say it because it'll kind of give it that sharp edge. Then we want to bring the batch size down to 2. Click here and click 4K. Make sure that it's at 4K because that's going to give us the sharpest thing. And then we're going to generate that image there. Okay, so now that they've finished generating, we want to go here and check the best one. Obviously, they look relatively exactly the same. I'm going to just choose this one just because we have it. You want to click download on the one that you want. That will go, and now it's downloaded. After that, we want to go over to video, create video. And here's where we're going to upload the video, our video that we want. So once we have our video that we want to use, we're going to click open, and that's going to plop it in here. Then we're also going to upload some images, and we're going to upload the image that you just downloaded because that's the one we want to use. So that one would be right here. And if the file size is too large, you can just screenshot the image and then plop it in here as well. So now that our video and our photo are both put onto higgsfield, we want to make sure that we have a good prompt so it creates the video we want. Okay, so here's my prompt. Make video 1 see-through as in reference image 1. Make the car fully see-through. Don't change anything else from the background. We want to click the model and we want to make sure that it's Kling 01 video edit. And then I click auto settings off. The duration, we're gonna put to whatever the duration of your clip is. I'm gonna pick 4 seconds, and my aspect ratio is gonna be 16:9. And from there, we're just gonna generate. All right, so now that the video's done rendering, here's the video. And honestly, I think it looks really good. So we are going to download it. We're gonna go back over to your editing software. Now you just wanna drag the downloaded clip right into DaVinci. So now we wanna make it fade in. So we're just gonna drag this little nub right here and make it fade in and press play. And there you go. That's the shot. Looks really clean. So now that's how you create that viral fade in transition for seeing underneath the hood or anything of the car. And I honestly think it looks really cool. I found this trend online, so I decided to try it out and decided to make a little video on how to do it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.